cousin. He got locked up in jail. Wait, what? Yeah, I just saw it on the news. Which one? Kirby News. Oh, come on. Do you seriously believe that news? Yes, I do. Who else would? You mean who else would not? Well, I meant who wouldn't. I wouldn't. Hey, I have a gun in my hand. So do I. Stop making me want to kill you, brother. You already did that from the inside. Well, whatever. We have to go save him. How are we going to save him?
Yeah.
We must save him. Oh my gosh. I hate being locked up in jail. How many days has it been? You mean have? I just want to punch something and just destroy it. Now! I know. Okay, this is the place they were locked up in. Yep, I can see how this is a jail. Let's move in. Hey, hey cousins! Hey guys! Oh wow, are we relieved to see you guys? Yeah, it's a long story. Yeah, it's not that long because this video has been like at least 2 minutes. Oh! I don't know why I'm locked up in your jail cell. Whee! Yeah. Well, let's get out of this place. Yeah! What's going on, guys? This is... I don't know what my name is, but anyways, welcome back to the news. And breaking news! Those bad people who almost tried to destroy a world with a gun and escaped from jail. I hope the birds have something to do to help, or else we'll be doomed forever. Hate this. So, please help us, someone. We need a hero. I hope the birds can do it. This is me signing out. Guys, did you just see that Kirby News episode? Did you just see the news? Yeah, I know. I was about to ask you that. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. We have to defeat them again. I know, this is terrible. Yeah, it's kind of evil. But anyways, we have to do this. We have to do it before it's too late. Well, at least their boo is out of order for now. That's a good thing. That also means that we don't have to hear, shoot him! Shoot him! Like we heard in that other episode. I know, right? That was terrible. That was dumb. Yeah, I'm happy we don't have to hear that. Well, let's get on with it anyways. You thought you could have defeated me, but you didn't. No, you shall defeat. Now you shall feel the wrath of me, the Boo. And I followed them on the way here. But they don't see me or hear me. Now, let's go home. starting over? Sorry. You're back. You're back. Who exactly are you? It's Boo. Yep, that's me. Now everyone stands up during this cutscene. Now we're already so close to fixing our weapon. Our shot is almost complete. Well, actually, let's just say it's almost fixed. Because it's awesome. Okay, so, yeah, we're gonna defeat them this time. They thought they were so smart because they beat us once, but they won't beat us twice. Okay? Got it? Okay, good. Because we're about to plunge an attack on them. Actually, I thought they were going to plunge an attack on us. Whatever, who cares? We have to perfect everything before we do anything attacking things. Yeah, makes enough sense.